If you are considering opening a Relay bank account for your business, one of the first questions you will likely ask is whether there is a minimum balance requirement. This is a smart question because minimum balances often affect fees, cash flow, and how flexible an account really is for small businesses and startups. In this video, I will clearly explain Relay's minimum balance rules, what you actually need to keep in your account, and how this compares to traditional business banks. By the end, you will know whether Relay is a good fit for your business finances. Let us start with the short and direct answer. Relay does not require a minimum balance to open or maintain an account. You can open a Relay account with $0 and keep your balance at any level without worrying about penalties or forced deposits. This is one of the main reasons many small business owners and online entrepreneurs choose Relay. Unlike traditional banks, Relay does not impose a minimum daily balance, minimum monthly balance, or average balance requirement. That means you are not punished if your account balance drops during slow business periods or while waiting for client payments. Now let us talk about why this matters in real life. Many traditional business banks require you to keep anywhere from $500 to several $1,000s in your account at all times. If your balance falls below that threshold, they often charge monthly maintenance fees. For small businesses, freelancers, and startups, this can be stressful and unnecessary. With Relay, your money stays flexible. You only keep what you need in the account, and you are free to move funds in and out without worrying about balance-related fees. Another important point is that Relay offers multiple checking accounts under one login. You can create separate accounts for taxes, payroll, operating expenses, and savings goals, all without needing to meet a minimum balance for each account. This makes budgeting and cash management much easier, especially if you want to stay organized. You might be wondering if having no minimum balance means hidden fees somewhere else. The good news is that Relay is known for transparent pricing. There are no monthly maintenance fees tied to balances, and there is no penalty for keeping a low balance. However, like any financial platform, certain optional services or third-party integrations may have their own costs, but those are not related to account balance requirements. It is also worth mentioning that Relay is designed specifically for businesses. This includes small businesses, startups, e-commerce sellers, agencies, and freelancers. The no minimum balance rule aligns perfectly with businesses that experience irregular cash flow or seasonal income. If you are comparing Relay with other online business banks, this feature alone can be a deciding factor. Many alternatives advertise low fees, but still quietly enforce balance minimums. Relay keeps it simple. So, who benefits the most from Relay's no minimum balance requirement? New businesses that are just getting started, freelancers who get paid irregularly, small teams managing payroll, and business owners who want to separate finances without locking up cash. Before you open an account, it is still important to review Relay's current terms and supported features to ensure it meets your specific business needs. But when it comes strictly to minimum balance requirements, Relay is one of the most flexible business banking platforms available today. In summary, Relay does not require a minimum balance to open or maintain an account. You can start with $0, manage multiple checking accounts, and avoid balance-related fees altogether. For many business owners, this removes one of the biggest frustrations of traditional banking. If you are looking for a modern business bank with no minimum balance, transparent pricing, and tools built for growing businesses, Relay is definitely worth considering.